Another question I often get asked is what type of payments do we take for our services at Dan Wagner Window Cleaning? Well, we take check, we take other like electronic payments, electronic fund transfer if that can be set up. We take PayPal, like from a PayPal account, credit card, just about any credit card. Maybe every credit card is acceptable with our system, and Zelle, Venmo, and we also accept cash. With cash, we still when we need to collect state sales tax, we do in Pennsylvania, but not in New York, as we're currently existing. But we don't forego the tax. We claim all our income, and we therefore, since 1993, window cleaning in Pennsylvania has needed to collect 6% sales tax. So there you go. Any other questions, feel free to call, text 570-630-0326. You like what you see.